Number 1. 38 pounds per day Ice Maker's Countertop. Instant ice refreshment. The Countertop ice maker makes small ice in 3.5 minutes and large ice in 5 minutes, producing 9 cubes per cycle for quick, refreshing beverages. High-capacity production. With a 170W compressor, the ice maker machine produces up to 38 pounds of ice daily, ideal for events, parties, and gatherings. Versatile ice production. The small ice maker offers both small ice for quick chilling and large ice for extended cooling. Number 2. GoveeLife Smart Countertop Ice Makers. App Alexa Control. Start your countertop ice maker remotely via app, even when away from home. Pairing the ice maker machine with Alexa enables a variety of intelligent commands, offering a more convenient lifestyle, made possible by GoveeLife. Fast ice making. Energy saving. Fast, energy-efficient ice making. GoveeLife's portable countertop ice maker lets you enjoy 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. Make 26 pounds of ice in 24 ho. Number 3. EUHOMY Ice Cube Maker Machine Countertop. 2 ways to add water. 2 ways to add water and bottle not included. The countertop ice maker machine holds up to 3.2 liters of water, minimizing how often you need to refill it. At the same time, you can also put in buckets of water less than 2 inches in diameter. You won't worry there is not enough water to make ice cubes. Automatic cleaning function. Press the timer button for more than 5 seconds to enter the automatic cleaning. Number 4. Midea Mary 26B1 AGY Countertop Bullet Ice Maker. Ice bullets in 2 sizes. Choose small ice bullets to quickly chill sodas, or large ice bullets to enjoy slow-sipping cocktails. Fast ice production. Produces 8 ice bullets in only 6 minutes, and up to 26 pounds of ice per day. Compact portable. Small footprint makes it perfect for saving counter space in your kitchen, office, or RV. Auto Clean. Use the one-touch Auto Clean function to keep your ice maker clean and running efficient. Number 5. EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Continuous ice production. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker Countertop delivers your first batch of soft, chewable ice in just 7 to 10 minutes. With its 1.8L water tank capacity, this portable ice maker produces up to 40 pounds of pebble ice per day, perfect for home use or parties. Enjoy endless fresh ice anytime, no more store runs needed. Chewable crunchable nugget ice. Love chewing ice? The EUHOMY Countertop Nugget Ice Maker creates perfectly text. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.